Good morning, everyone. We're still in Laurieton.
Yes. In lockdown.
Yeah.
Again.
It's pretty bad lockdown. Look at us. Out and about doing as we please. What do you think, Mert?
What do you reckon, Molly?
Pretty cool. So we're at a place called Chookies Beach?
Yes.
Chookies Beach, which is just out of Laurieton, Nambucca. Yeah. Take a Millie for a walk. It's beautiful. Nice little swimming spot. It's where the ocean comes in. And it's just a nice little spot for kids to swim. Take your dog for a swim. Yeah, very nice, very relaxed. Hardly any people around. It's amazing.
Horrible.
Yeah. Nice day off. Had work for about a week.
Yep.
And a half.
Yeah. Today we're on strike.
We've done all our painting now. Oh, look at that bird.
Time to relax. Another kite?
Yeah.
Let's go mud crab hunting.
Good luck with that.
In the mangroves.
Enjoy.
Yeah. What about Louie?
Got a fish, man. Okay. Oh, I just hit my ankle.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
You alright?
Oh, I'm filled. Oh, fuck, that hurt. That cracked. Okay, we're back. We've had a fall. Ow. Kay's had a laugh.
After you were okay.
You're like, yeah. When I gave you the go-ahead, you can laugh now.
Okay then.
Divots, mate. They're dangerous.
Oh yeah, where they've been,
Freaking hell.
what do you call it? Yabby pumping.
There's
We were
divots
trying to
everywhere.
cross the water, and down she went.
Down, the big V
Silently,
went.
I must say.
The big V's down.
Yeah. I thought you were just having a swim. What are you doing down there? Hold this for you. What's wrong? Oh, I've done my ankle. Oh, it cracked.
It did crack.
You okay? I can't do it.
I can't vomit.